Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we are going to help you beef up your professional library with some must-have resources. Stay tuned as we dive deep into some top books that every facility manager should consider adding to their collection. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the comprehensive knowledge these books can offer, covering critical facets of facility management from operations and project management to technology, disaster recovery, and more. Are you a facility manager looking for some solid resources to guide you? While the internet is overflowing with information, nothing beats the comprehensive, well-researched knowledge that comes from good old-fashioned books. Here are some top picks that every facility manager should consider adding to their library. First up, we have the Facility Management Handbook by Kathy Roper and Richard Payant. As experts in facility management, Kathy and Richard have put together a handbook that's now in its 4th edition. This book covers a broad spectrum of topics, from technology and disaster recovery to zoning compliance, ground maintenance, and furnishings. It's also updated with the latest in technology and maintenance best practices. The authors have taken great pains to provide insight, guidelines, and real-life case studies to help you succeed in your role. Next on the list is The Complete Guide to Facility Management by Dan Lowry. Dan leverages his years of experience as a facilities manager to give you insight through personal examples. He outlines 4 crucial areas of facility management: operations, project management, finance, and leadership. Dan's writing is easy to understand and encouraging, making this guide a must-own resource for facility management professionals at all levels. Third, we have Facility Design and Management Handbook by Teicholz. This handbook is designed to help you create a state-of-the-art facility. It features case studies from around the world and across all major facility segments. You'll learn how to implement cost-effective, sustainable, smart building solutions, use tools for better space and asset allocation, improve forecasting accuracy, and integrate online and software resources into your facility. Last but not least, there's Facilities Management, Managing Maintenance for Buildings and Facilities by Joel Levitt. Whether you're brand new to the role of facilities manager or a seasoned professional, Joel has something valuable to offer. This book includes ready-to-use forms for assessment and a plethora of practical resources. Joel covers everything from risk management and legal contracts to safety regulations and energy efficiency. These books are more than just a good read. They're resources that can help you increase the value your team brings to your organization. So consider adding these to your professional library and watch as your facility management skills reach new heights. And that wraps up our video. Thank you for watching. We've covered some must-have resources for facility managers, from handbooks to comprehensive guides. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For further resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams succeed, visit our website at upkeep.com. See you in our next video.